Click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon.
Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Free Hacking Tutorial. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove background from a scan signature using Photoshop. So let's begin the tutorial. So first of all, open your scan image in Photoshop. So first open Photoshop, then click here in the file and click open and select your scan image. Now on the right side of your screen you'll see a layers palette. So if you don't see this layer palette, you can bring it from Windows and clicking layers to bring layers. Now you can see here a small icon in layer, that is lock icon. So that means this layer is locked. So before doing any editing you have to unlock this layer. So to unlock it, double click on this layer and click OK. So you can see here now the lock icon is removed. Now click on select and click color range. Now you can see here a small eyedropper tool, eyedropper icon. So click on the background using the eyedropper tool. So click here on the background. Now you can move this slider until you see the clear image. Adjust the slider until you get the clear picture of the signature and click OK. You can see here now the background is selected. So now what you have to do is just press delete from your keyboard and that's it. Your background is completely removed from the signature. Now to save this signature file, click on the file again and click save as. Now on the format, click on the drop down and select JPG. So if you want to save with completely transparent background, so select the PNG format to save your signature image with completely transparent background. Click OK. But if you don't need transparent background, you just need white background, then click here file again and save. On the format option is just select JPEG. Now click on save, click OK. Now let's see the final image. So you can see here this is a transparent background signature. So let's open it, and this is, you can see here in the thumbnail, you can see here in the thumbnail the background is completely transparent, and here on the JPEG or the JPG format you can see here white background. So these are the two different formats that you can save. So when you want to remove background and make completely transparent, then save your image as PNG format. And if you don't want transparent background, only you want to remove background and want white background, then save your image as JPG format, and that's it. You can remove background using Photoshop. So I hope this video will be useful for you. So thanks for watching my video, and press the bell icon and subscribe my channel.